All right, well, it's shotgun weekend, opening weekend, and we're back here in the back 40, getting ready to put up a drip here. He's got a golden scrape scent reflex, so it always works pretty good. We've used it many times, so we're just gonna throw a little thread over this limb right here and hang it. Okay.
Upholstery, you can't break it.
Oh, it's nylon thread.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's why you can't break it by hand. All right, we got two people doing this drip because they're always a pain. I was telling him I usually stand on my golf cart.
You want the whole thing in there?
Yeah, why not? Put the whole thing. Well,
we got more.
We can buy more of that. I don't know if we got any more active scrape or not, but it's gonna work out perfect.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah. All right, so the drip's hanging right there, and he's gonna activate it right now. They can like it or not like it, but this is what a lot of guys do. Just go ahead and get her activated on your own here, and I'm gonna join in here in a second too. All right, he's gonna prime it. Just squeeze it up a little bit. Yeah, we've already took a leak in there, so now we got that. We're ready to go.
We did.
All right, and then over here is our 2-person 12-foot swivel blind, we call it. It's got a swivel chair in it.
The seat rotates all the way around 360.
Yeah, it's 2-person seat, and you can actually switch the backs around to where one person you set opposite directions basically. I'll go up in there and show you real quick. Then we gotta get off here and go get some clothes ready. Yeah, we're out here tromping around in the woods during deer season, but you know what? It ain't gonna hurt nothing. We're out here modifying the stand, working on it, fixing it, adding some bolts in here because this stuff bangs around. And then I put some more cloth up here the other day. Oh yeah, you've got it set in one each way.
Yep.
They've already got it rigged up like that, so that's perfect.
Just need to clean it out. Kyle can't wait to get there.
Just clean the leaves out of it. And... All right, well, time to get off of here. It's a beautiful setup, isn't it? It's a beautiful setup. The sun is bright. Heck yeah. This is fun. So back here in the back, over here to our left, we have another 2-person stand, but it's not like this one. It's one of them real small ones, you know, you ain't got no room to move around in. And then you put a drip out there, didn't you, yesterday?
Yeah, in the back fence row.
Yeah, we need to.
I took that one down just now and put that one up.
Since it's gun season, we need to break some myths and just start talking to the deer when they come walking by. All right, well, time to get off of here.
Oh, you being a good boy.
We gotta get some. We gotta get some video footage of the. What do you say? Are you being a good boy? Kaboom! All right, well, hang in there for more action, folks.